My soul is at exile, was out on life's sea, so burdened with sin and distress, till I heard a sweet voice saying, "Make me your choice." And I entered the heaven of rest. I've anchored my soul in the heaven of rest. I sail the wide seas no more. The tempest may sweep o'er the wide stormy deep. In Jesus I'm safe evermore. I yielded myself to His tender embrace, in faith taking hold of the world. My fetter fell off, and I anchored my soul. The heaven of rest is my Lord. I've anchored my soul in the heaven of rest. I sail the wide seas no more. The tempest may sweep o'er the wide stormy deep. In Jesus I'm safe evermore. The song of my soul, since the Lord made me whole, has been the old story so blessed, of Jesus who'll save whosoever will have a home in the heaven of rest. I've anchored my soul in the heaven of rest. I sail the wide seas no more. The tempest may sweep o'er the wide stormy deep. In Jesus I'm safe evermore. How precious the thought that we all may recline, like John the beloved, so blessed. Oh, Jesus' strong arm, where no tempest can harm, secure in the heaven of rest. I've anchored my soul in the heaven of rest. I sail the wide seas no more. The tempest may sweep o'er the wide stormy deep. In Jesus I'm safe evermore. Oh, come to the Savior, He patiently waits, to save by His power divine. Come anchor your soul in the heaven of rest, and say, my beloved is mine. I've anchored my soul in the heaven haven of rest. I sail the wide seas no more. The tempest may sweep o'er the wild stormy deep. In Jesus I'm safe evermore.